Personal injury lawyers versus claims management services. Which one is better for accident victims? Most people get this wrong by thinking that anyone who helps with a personal injury claim is the same, but the surprising truth is that personal injury lawyers and claims management services play very different roles, and your choice can dramatically affect your outcome. Personal injury lawyers are trained legal professionals who represent accident victims in court, negotiate with insurers, and provide expert advice on complex cases. They handle serious injuries, medical negligence, and high-value claims. For example, if someone suffers a long-term disability from a car accident, a personal injury lawyer can calculate the true cost of care, lost income, and emotional distress, then pursue full compensation through the legal system. Their expertise is vital for cases where legal knowledge, court-true representation, or negotiation skills are needed. Claims management services, in contrast, focus on assisting clients with filing claims and dealing with insurance paperwork. They can help you submit forms, gather evidence, and communicate with insurers, but they are not legal professionals and cannot provide formal legal representation in court. They are often best suited for smaller claims or straightforward accident cases that don't require complex legal intervention. So, which is better? Personal injury lawyers are ideal for serious injuries, disputes with insurance companies, or cases likely to go to court. Claims management services are useful for simpler claims where guidance and administrative support are sufficient. Many accident victims find the best approach is to start with a claims management service for initial paperwork, but engage a lawyer if the case becomes complex or contested. Key takeaway is that understanding the severity of your accident, the value of your claim, and the level of legal complexity will help you choose the right support. By combining administrative assistance with professional legal expertise when needed, accident victims can maximize their compensation and navigate the claims process confidently. The surprising truth is that your choice can directly impact both the speed and success of your claim.